RouteGenie features repair maintenance and checklists. Pre- and post-trip checklists are key to making sure every trip is conducted safely. RouteGenie gives drivers a simple and efficient way to complete them every day. In the maintenance section of the software, you'll find the trip checklist, where you have the ability to add a custom checklist item, choose whether it's a major or non-major issue, choose which modes of transportation it applies to, choose whether it's a pass, fail, scale, number, or text question, and choose whether it's for the start of the shift, end of the shift, or both. Drivers also have the ability to easily complete the checklist from the RouteGenie driver app. After logging in, drivers can select what items they have in the vehicle, the current odometer reading, and the number of wheelchairs in the vehicle. They can then complete the checklist and sign off to submit. When it's time to figure out which vehicles in your fleet need repairs, a mechanic can view all vehicle details in the Maintenance tab. They can see what problem was marked down in the checklist and indicate if it's repaired, not yet repaired, or the repair isn't needed. Once the mechanic signs off, the issue is marked as complete. Want to learn more about RouteGenie's capabilities? Check out our other features on YouTube or book a demo to see the software in action.